If you've ever watched a cinematic reel and thought, wish I could look that cool, well, today you actually can. Because I'm about to show you how to turn one photo into a full Hollywood-style video where you're the star. No camera, no crew, no acting skills, just AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I break down smart tools that make your life easier. And today, we're exploring the new Hailuo AI Video Generator, one of the most talked about video tools of the year. Before we start, here's a question to keep in mind. Which version of you do you want to see? Action hero, sci-fi explorer, or cinematic model? Because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create all three. All right, let's jump right in. Hailuo AI Video is a fast-growing tool created by developers in China. On the homepage, you'll find a feed filled with videos made by other creators. The cool part? You can open any video, copy its prompt, and recreate it instantly. But today, we're not copying anything. We're building our own cinematic shots from scratch. We'll test three main features: image to video, text to video, subject reference, the one that turns you into a consistent character. Each one has its strengths. Image to video basically takes a still picture and turns it into a moving cinematic shot. Today I prepared three completely different scenes to show how powerful this is. Scene 1, a deserted train station at dawn. Let's upload the first image. A foggy, empty train station. From the presets, I'm choosing debut camera control. This creates a dramatic push-in that feels like the opening shot of a thriller film. We'll spend 80 credits here. A few moments later, boom. A slow, haunting camera reveal through the fog. The whole scene feels alive, even though the photo was still. Here, you can see all of the image creation models like Veo 3.1, Hailuo 2.3, Hailuo 2.0. You can generate your video in any of these models. And one more thing. If you create the video in high quality, like 1080p, it will cost more credits, around 80 credits. But if you make it in 768p, it will only use about 25 credits. Scene 2, a cozy wooden cabin interior. For this one, I'm picking the side glide movement. This preset gives you that smooth left to right cinematic sweep you often see in documentary B-roll. And wow, the camera passes through the wooden beams and warm lights like it's actually inside the room. It adds depth you'd never get from a flat image. Let's upload a dramatic portrait photo. This time, I'll use downward tilt, which creates a hero shot effect that makes the character look powerful. After generation, you can see how the lighting subtly shifts and the camera slowly tilts downward. It looks incredibly realistic. That wraps up image to video. But now, let's make something from nothing. Text to video, your imagination in motion. This feature creates a video from just a sentence. For this test, let's enter this prompt. A neon-lit cyberpunk street with rain, reflections, and a floating drone camera. No enhancers, no presets, just the raw description. This generation costs 80 credits. The prompt optimizer does its job, then generation begins. And the result is a stunning cyberpunk scene with a gliding drone-style movement. Neon signs, puddles, reflections, all accurate to the prompt. Text to video is perfect for creating fictional worlds, backgrounds, and sci-fi content. But now, it's time to put you in the video. Subject reference. Become the main character. For this feature, you upload your own face, and Hailuo AI keeps your identity consistent across multiple shots. Let's upload a photo of me. Now in the prompt field, I'll type, a man smiling confidently while walking through a sunny street market. No presets, no enhancer, just a simple description. This feature uses the S2V01 model and costs 120 credits. After waiting a bit, and here we go. A lifelike version of me, head turning naturally, smiling, realistic body movement. It legit feels like a real video shoot. Let's try a more complex scene with two characters at an outdoor cafe. This time I'll add two friends laughing at a cafe table, soft sunlight, gentle hand gestures. generation begins.
I can't believe you actually did that.
I know, it was so embarrassing at the time, but it's funny now.
And the result looks surprisingly natural. Expressive hands, micro smiles, even body lean animations. This is where AI video is heading. Believable digital humans created from a single photo. In less than 10 minutes, we built a foggy thriller-style train station shot, a warm cinematic cabin interior, a realistic portrait camera tilt, a cyberpunk drone shot from pure text, and a fully animated lifelike video of me, all using one tool. Now, I want to know, which feature impressed you the most? Image to video, text to video, or subject reference? Drop your answer in the comments. I actually read them. And hey, if this breakdown helped you, hit that like button. It costs nothing, but helps this channel grow. And if you want more tutorials, tips, and smart tools every week, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.